Hi, welcome to phonics. Let's make sure our bodies are ready to learn. Sit in a chair, feet on ground, eyes looking at the screen, and ears listening. We've been learning in previous weeks about long vowel sounds. We already know that long I says I. Today we're going to talk about long O and long U. Let's talk about long O first. So we already know that O can make the short vowel sound ah. Help me out. O says ah. But O can also say its name. Do you see this line over the O? This line means O is making its long vowel sound. When we see this line over O, it means O says O. What does long O say? O. Nice work. Let's check this out with long U as well. So we already know that short U says U says nice work. But U can also make a long vowel sound. Do you see the line over here? This line tells us that U is making its long sound. U. Long U says U. What does long U say? U. All right. So we learned our new concepts about long O and long U. We already know I, and we already know soft G. J. Let's get started. Parents, this is the portion now where you can mark correct answers down. Alrighty, get your finger ready to point. I want you to find the letter that makes the sound. If you're not sure what letter it is, I'll come in with my arrow in a few seconds. What letter says U? U. What letter says O? O. What letter says J? G. What letter says I? I. Let's keep going. We're moving to the next level. Okay, I'll say some sounds. You blend the sounds together and find the word that they make. Get your finger ready to touch. Joke. Joke. Touch. Nope. Nope. Touch. Mole. Mole. Touch. Ike. Mike. Touch. Bone. Bone. Touch. Mule. Mule. Nice job blending your sounds together. Keep up the great work. Let's move on to the next level. Okay, now I'll say a word, and you show me the first sound that you hear in the word. Your choices are O, U, or A. Listen for the word and get ready to touch the first sound. What's the first sound in ocean? O. What's the first sound in use? U. What's the first sound in open? O. What's the first sound in ace? A. Two more, you've got this. What's the first sound in old? O. And what's the first sound in unity? U. Great job with your first sounds. Let's keep going. All right, it is time to sound it out or pound it out. I want you to use the sounds that you've learned to sound out some words. I'll say a word, you sound it out. Sound it out means you touch a blue circle for every sound. I'll have you do this first, and then if you need help, I'll come in with the arrow. Get ready to listen and touch the blue circles. Sound out the word cute. Here's some help. Cute. Cute. Ready? Here's your next one. Say nope. Sound out nope. Here's some help. Nope. Oh. Keep up the great work. You've got this. Your next word is name. Say name. Pound out name. Here's some help. Three more words. You're on a roll. Say bone. Pound out bone. Here's some help. B-O-N. Two more. Say hole. Pound out hole. Here's some help. Oh. Last word, you got this. Say mute. Pound out mute. Here's some help. You. Really nice job pounding out, you guys. Let's keep going. All right, now you're going to use the sounds and the letters that you learned to read these words. So when my arrow touches a word, I want you to read it out loud. If you need some help, I'll come in a few seconds and tell you what the word is. You can also pound these words out on your own if that will help. Get ready to read. Read. Cube. Read. Rope. Read. Fume. Read. Nose. Read. Mule. Read. Note. Awesome job reading. Keep up the great work. All right. So we finished all of our words where we sound them out. Now we're going to move on to sight words. Sight words are tricky because you can't sound them out. The letter sounds break a lot of rules. So you just have to remember what they look like. These are our review words. Since they're review words, I'm just going to point with my arrow and ask you to read. If you need some help, I'll come in a few seconds. Get ready. Get your finger ready. Read. School. Read. 4. Read. B. Read. U. Read. Has. Read. Says. Sight words are tricky because you can't sound them out. You have to remember what they look like. These are our new sight words. Touch and say them with me. Blue. Now. Once. Cast. Gives. Here. New. Great job with your phonics lesson.